Lim prepared another special birthday surprise for Kim Chiu. Sian Lim took Kim Chiu to one of her favorite places to celebrate the Chinita Princess's 25th birthday. We've got the details straight from Kim C themselves.
Meron kaming 1.5 day na parang off. In-off niya sa calendar niya before siya. Tapos yun, since favorite ko sa Subic, pumunta kami ng Subic and treat niya lahat. And then since lagi ako doon, parang naghanap siya ng mga adventure na hindi ko pa nagagawa. Madami mga nakakatakot na adventure. Siya matatakotin siya pero siya ginawa niya rin.
For the past year, Sian has been throwing surprises for Kim's birthday. And Sian's reason for such surprises?
Mahilig naman kasi siya sa mga ganun mga iba't ibang activities, iba't ibang kung ano-anong gawin. So yun yung naisip ko, imbes na materialistic na bagay, basta masaya.
Sian also posted on Instagram a sweet and touching birthday message for Kim, thanking her for their adventures together. Part of the message read, we quote, "Dearest Kim, from our first time on screen together and our first pic outside work, so much has changed. From being a stranger from all the way across the world, you became someone I can trust, someone who will be there by my side, fighting and conquering battles of everyday life. Happy birthday, Kimberly Sue Yap Chu. Always remember that if you need a shoulder to cry on, an open ear, and a lending hand, I got you." End of quote. When asked about their real status, they only had this to say.
Nako, ayan ka na naman hindi mapigilan. Masaya ako, basta kami dalawa, masaya kami.
Siguro sasagutin din niya ako in time. Pero for now, trabaho muna kami. For now, enjoy muna namin yung mga nangyayari sa buhay namin.
Meanwhile, Kim and Sian are happy to share that they are now excited to work on their upcoming project.
Oh, sobrang kakaiba and sobra kong nagustuhan yung kwento. As in, nakaka-touch yung maraming makaka-relate. It's just a love story.